the 5th time that I've filmed this intro. Today I'm going to be doing this Leo inspired makeup look. I didn't think about naming it that until I just took a Snapchat with like the fire filter and I was like a very Leo vibe, and that's just what we're gonna call it. So if you guys are interested in how I get this look, please go ahead and keep watching. Sorry about my hair, by the way. It has a mind of its own today. Okay, so as you guys can see, I've already done one eye. I just wanted to practice in case it just went downhill. So I'm gonna do the second eye on camera, but I like it. I like how it's gone. I'm going to be using all 3 of my Morphe palettes that I have. First, I'm taking the Morphe 35B palette and I am going to use this yellow color. I am obsessed with this palette. Like, look at all of them. I will say with like the pinks and the purples, they do stain my eyes, so, but other than that, I mean, it's worth it. But I'm going in with this yellow color right here. I'm not super technical when it comes to brushes. I just kind of pick one up and use it, so. Okay, and I'm just gonna put this kind of as like my transition shade. And I'm going to take just a skinnier pointed brush and I'm going to use my Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. And I'm going in with this red color right here. I'm just gonna put this right in my crease. If you guys hear the Kardashians in the background, that's what I'm watching. Now I'm taking just this flat brush and I'm going to put a little bit of concealer just to create the cut crease. This is honestly super easy. I thought that cut creases were going to be so difficult, but they're so easy. Somebody please call Riri. Can I see the pussy in 3D? Shout out what you doing on the weekend. Wondering if I can sneak in. Alright, so once that's done, I'm going to be taking a flat eyeshadow brush and I'm just going to spray it with some makeup setting spray. Just to wet it, you can use water, it doesn't matter. And I'm going back in with the 35B palette. And I'm going to take this yellow shimmer shade right here. And I'm just going to apply that where I just cut out the crease. I'm taking the Morphe 350 palette and I'm taking this shade right here. And I'm going to put that on the outer corner. And what I did with this eye was take just a regular little eyeshadow brush and put some of that product on it and kind of just pat it into the corner. To go back in with this pointy brush and I'm going to kind of put this in the very outer corner just to blend it all together, but still keeping that cut crease look. So for my inner corner, I am just going to take this highlighter shade, Marshmallow from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. You can use any like white shimmery eyeshadow, but I liked the highlighter because it gave more of a pop. Then I'm going again with this pointy brush and I'm taking this shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going to put this under my eyes. I'm going to take this white eyeliner pen and I'm just going to line my waterline. Taking my Maybelline Last Sensational, say that 5 times best. I'm just gonna apply this to my lashes before putting the falsies on. Now it's time for my eyelashes, and this is my favorite part because you watch yourself go from like a 0 to 10 real quick. And these lashes are the I think it's Miss Lashes 3D Volume Lash. I don't know where all you can buy these. I got these at my local beauty supply store, but you can get them online. I think I found them on Amazon for like $3. These are $2.99 in store, so I would check your local beauty supply store and there's probably some there. If not, Amazon has these, and this is just what they're called. And this one is in the style 314. So for my bottom lashes, I'm going to be using Voluminous False Fiber Lashes. Going back with my Maybelline Lash Sensational, I still can't say it, and I'm just going to blend my regular eyelashes with the falsies. And for my lips, I just added my NYX Intense Butter Gloss in Cookie Butter. This is my all-time favorite shade. I had like 3 of them at one point and I lost one of them and whatever. This is my all-time favorite shade. I wear this over every single lipstick that I have. I freaking love it. So yeah, that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I really want to do more of these because I honestly just pull random looks off of Pinterest and try to recreate them. If you did enjoy and you want to keep seeing more of this type of video or like vlogs or any other video, basically if you just want to see any more of me, go ahead and subscribe. It means the world to me. Thank you guys, and I'll see y'all later. Bye bye.